Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Missouri Homesteading Transition. It is a beautiful morning today here on the homestead. Very quiet and peaceful. As you can see, the sun's shiny, no clouds in the sky. But I'm pretty excited today. We had a special delivery from Lowe's, and I'm so excited because we are taking another transition, and we're going from ice chest living to a refrigerator that just showed up. So I'm so excited. Let me get it together and get unpacked and stuff and show you what we got. Alright, you guys. As you can see, it's not the tallest refrigerator or the biggest refrigerator, but it is the most energy efficient one that we can find on the market. And that excites us too, because that means just less power. So, are you ready for the unveil of our refrigerator? I'm trying to say the cardboard because I want to use it. Alright, here we go. As you can see, it's a nice white. Give me a moment. Okay, I got rid of the packaging, all the cardboard and foam stuff for the most part. Turn it towards the front of the camera so you can see. It only weighs 113 pounds. This is our tiny freezer here.
I don't want to go to the emergency room again.
They were bright and early this morning. They're here at like 8:30 this morning with our refrigerator. Freezer slash freezer.
Oh, this is annoying.
But it's an improvement from an ice chest.
Oh, yeah.
We've been in ice chest since day one, you guys.
It's got that new refrigerator smell.
I didn't know there was a smell for a new refrigerator.
I didn't either.
That's because, well, I can't say we've never had a new refrigerator before, because we have.
We did.
But it's just so long ago. What does that label say?
Warning. To avoid dangerous suffocation,
Oh,
keep this smoke away from babies and children.
We ain't got to worry about that. You ready to see our inside refrigerator?
All of it?
Yep.
Oh, there's more tape.
It's estimated at $39 a year to run this. And you see the 327, that's the lowest I could find anywhere. Uses the least energy.
And it's so cute. And it doesn't have those weird shelves that come this way, like slanted.
Can shelves to hold cans.
Which you can't really use because they're weird.
Because we don't drink soda, so we don't have can shelves.
The refrigerator we had, the Airbnb, had those, and we couldn't put anything in there. They were just strange.
I can't get that one.
Okay.
Now, because it's been in transport, and I don't know if it's been upright or tilted or whatever and stuff, there's oil in the motor down below, and it's best to let it sit for a while. Make sure all that oil is down in the bottom of the motor. Rule of thumb, if you've had it leaning on its side or anything like that, you should wait 24 hours. And that, thinking it wasn't leaned sideways or laid sideways and stuff, so I'm pretty sure it was left upright because it's small and light, but I am going to wait a couple hours before I plug it in, make sure all that oil and stuff is on the bottom. And grab that paper on the crisper.
Adorable.
Yeah, we're excited. I'm going to lift this up. Can you see if you can tear that out or break pieces of that off?
Break the styrofoam?
Yep. I just want to get it out of there.
I can't break it. Oh. Little pieces I can break. Probably need to. Are you planning on putting it over there or over here?
I might put it over here. I might put it right there.
Okay.
Where it's right next to the power source. Anyways, folks, this is our refrigerator.
How'd that happen already? Oh. My goodness.
Had to be your nails.
My nails couldn't do that. You did it.
I have no nails.
He scratched it already.
Oh, blame that on me.
I didn't do it.
I didn't do it. It just happened.
Oh.
The cabin did it.
Uh-huh.
Anyways, folks, we'll be back in a minute and a little bit later and stuff when we get it all set up and put where we want. Hey guys, I'm back. After letting the refrigerator sit for about 8 hours and stuff, I just got done plugging it in, and then I just wanted to make sure all the everything was on the bottom and stuff like that. I actually rearranged the power station and I put the refrigerator next to the power station because I don't want to use extension cords or anything. And here's what we got. I took my batteries and everything and I just slid them farther to the left as I could so the cables won't be sticking out so far. As you can see how nice that looks right there. Our refrigerator, I just turned it on. We are so excited to have a refrigerator. Freezer. Let me show you something. That's how many output watts I got going on. Right there. 120 is my output volts for the refrigerator. So that's like the equivalent of 260 watt light bulbs, huh? Anyways, I'm really pleased. I'll probably leave everything in the ice chest till tomorrow, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. We'll see how cool it feels tonight. But I'm really excited that we've taken another step towards being modern, off-grid living. If there's such a word. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Remember, hit that like button. And then if you like to see these little episodes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep updated. You guys have a wonderful day, and God bless.